welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a really cool Opal that we got from the Minerals collection. This is something that more than likely will be a one-time collection because we found this kind of in a bargain bin in like the downtown district in Buenos Aires some time ago. But I absolutely love Opal. It's one of my favorite semi-precious stones, and well, we had to pick it up, and of course I wanted to share it with you. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like Opal, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Minerals. And guys, this was the number 78, and it is an opal. It looks really cool. Well, let's open this up. There's a bit more. Cool that it shows you even fossils. And here it talks about some of the first mammals and marsupials as well as others. Possums are cute. Their only defense is to show you their teeth and try to appear scary. But they're actually really sweet. If you search a bit, you can find some really cute videos of them. And here it shows how different types of humans spread. And here we have the back. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new Opal. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have our new Opal. I'm just going to open this up. Grab the scissors here. Okay, and there we have it. Let me get it in a bit better. Zoom there so you can see it's very sparkly, very shiny. See how it catches the light there? Opal is definitely like one of my favorite stones. You guys tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. I really like it. For me, Opal is like just the prettiest. But you guys tell me, what is your favorite semi-precious stone? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're motioning around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Tumblr, all of that linked down below. I look forward to seeing you guys over on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Poses Parchinaire. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.